This is a 1967-ish Underwood 21. I picked it up from my dad, and it's been in storage in a basement for at least 20 or 30 years. So you can kind of get a sense of what the insides look like. The typing action here is good. You open this up. See, this is what it looks like on the inside. Leave that off. And then you can kind of get a sense of what the internals are like from this view. Probably the dirtiest area that I can see of the typewriter is just some rust buildup and some junk in the back. But then again, I've never fully taken this apart. The rollers are pretty sandy. That's as much as I can tell from this. I haven't taken any of this apart, but it types just fine. It's just a really dirty machine, and I want to get it cleaned up.